When I'm with my baby, I. This morning, I just wanna share you about the incident that happened yesterday. Before
Hello
begin
guys,
with the
welcome back to my channel once again. So today I just want to share with that we are heading out for a college picnic with my friends, but it's going to be a memory for all of us because it's our last picnic together in college. So I'll try to capture everything from the beginning to the end, the fun moment, the laughter, and even the emotional bites. It is not going to be just another video. It's going to be exciting, a little emotional, and truly special. So stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, this will be my outfit. Look, this is my bag. I brought some vlogging stuff here, and then this is my tent. Watching, it's gonna be fun.
morning. Morning. Kina roke se?
Hoy dong.
Kita bawa kari.
Ya.
Ini. Guys, we are waiting for a vehicle in BOC. We are going from pickup truck, so I'll show you. We choose that because pickup the jale a lot of fun over na. That's why we hire pickup. Okay, keep watching. All of our friends, we are waiting. Here we are. And this BOC. That's a good day. Huh? Truck is arrived. So we are going from here. Excited? Yo guys! Morning. Excited?
Yes, very excited.
Yeah. Mate.
My God.
Say hi, bro.
Bal.
Say hi.
Hello.
Excited for the picnic? Are you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This vehicle. I can deal with Guys, we finally reached our spot. This is it, our spot. And my mates, they are going there. See, look at the car. Vehicle. Come on, Dada. It's going there. And here we are. Woo! Wow. Look. Guys, spot the boat siya mukhan. And here comes eh. Udah di rock kulas dia mukhan. Udah na, tadi. Tadi kulas eh. Oh, okay. Ano ito? Nagiran kuku. So, batakan do. Ito ang tapak ko dito. Ayan na. Mukha na surrounding. Dito sila yung kuku.
So guys, itu mulai di sini. Just dem panan waktu tak perlu aja.
Nah. Yo guys, it's done. Magiging siya. One, two, three, four. Magiging and hair partner. Ito tik chona hai.
Mau bari.
Ina.
We came for the picnic for the first time, so we are very much excited that we are expecting to enjoy well.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good day.
Yeah, enjoy our vlog.
We got this. Wow, feeling giddy. Let's put it back. Have a nice day. Enjoy your life. Beres deh, cakap saya na. Okay, tapi mesti.
Please, if you
Mesti
can
okay,
dislike it.
My brothers are coming behind.
The
blaze, guys. Ah, masti. Look, wow. Then dia di sit up really pal sure. Hey, masti ada. Takado. Ay. Ini ada.
Pichode lui jane taka masti se ko yo.
Ini ada.
Yes, chef. The master chef.
Ini क्या है?
There will be death battle between
Guys, swimming pool siya. Ito pa siya ida. Pat ka wala siya na. Nano atan.
간부 뭔가 나게 망자.
itu alog side kurila itu machode rakhiyo to mandir dikhe na
So guys, makan nedi pat ka wala siya. So this banana leaves. Banana leaves. So we are going to have here. Look. Woo! Enjo, parang niya mula. Mula parang niya.
Ano siya daw?
Ano siya? Sala. Oh.
Humongous beach.
Red rice na. Red rice na siya. To khado like sticky rice na siya na. Khado na. Kaya sa ito, rice yun. Sticky rice. Sticky rice la this size. Bring this banana leaves. Chalo, pat ani sob manula. Hoy. Pat. Chalo. Sob manu dewe. Chicken,
If you need more rice, we have here, okay? Another pot there.
Tony, tu kena kau.
sob manu yun na to.
Jarina.
Cho makam mau do. Kau. Sob kau.
Content भी बनाए.
Itu kan ase.
दुनिया बद पिसारी थे के खान सभी इतु वाला इतु ऊपर देखाई थे कि ना नीचे का नहीं खा last bite
Này, thích khói đây. Đây, đi xuống đó. Ya. Lúc thì takat mà nó này bật xuống đó. Mesti makan na. Maksud gimana kasih?
20 piece super tu kaya.
Bisa mana? Boleh tik kalau sih. Ay, patut bisa di sini kita kan na.
Oh, nakus. Takut dah bisa ketemu gue.
Kamu barang. Itu dendo, itu tuh cuma kodo. Dislogit kodo. Opor deh cowok. Karena itu bisa deh tadi swimming pool kita tadi itu kan nih tadi kili gina sampai jajo. Training. Aha. Ini orang biar deh ini aja. Itu. Hari juga sih jatuh. So guys, makan doh. Pani bisik ya kan ya. Training too much. So, yeah, hitting back home. Slow. Let's go. तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे खाना पीना खाएंगे जीना सारे No guys, moi kode bungchi jaise. Moi ajila video to full tak mana wale para nai. Kile kole moi wapas kora tem dena. Molam mata karira kiri gena accident hoise. To itu karne moi hospital kan busy na kise. Itu karne moi video bana wale para nai. Holi moi khali kode o kina hoise na. To itu karne good night. Good morning guys. So this morning I just want to share you about the incident that happened yesterday. Before begin with the story, first of all I just want to thank God for his guidance, for his grace and for his mercy. And secondly, I just want to thank all of my friends for helping me and taking care of me. So the incident began like this. So guys, moi naka mistake koi dibo. So jo kali to mohan time to bisi power spend kurise. Eto bichi te mohan jai takise. Or heading back home na jai takise korde. To eto time de moi to pick up pickup truck la edu pokor thakina tadi ina thurina khara kurse kina thalamde edu pickup la screw tu olop loose thakise akire chajagena moi edu pickup la screw tu loose howa karone moi la balance to harai jese edu bichide moi to thik kirigena matha de ide chokom paise to sadi camera cholte agena moi ge scarf camera thik bandi dise aro direct sadi camera pharmacy de loi jagena mala matha olop scratch thaka to duta mo pura stitch kurdise etu pichide pharmacy la doctor bra to CT scan lowa lagi kuse Uki hospital de na etu pichide sadi ar mohan choli rush kurna na hospital de jese ar na hospital de CT scan kan lose holi modo eku like major do effect wa nai minor takise to mola result to sob normal de takise so yeah this all it is mola story to itia moi poise fit and fine everything is fine yeah edu karne kuno monduk kurta kise gulle monduk na kurite kuna etu janai diase once again I thank God and to all my friends and thank you so much for watching till the end.